Gayatri from Gayatri's World Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. I'm on a mission to help you eat healthy in a hurry and save some time and money. So here we go. It's a beautiful summer day. Not quite summer yet, but it feels like summer after a very long, cold spring. It's gorgeous weather. And you know what's perfect on a great summer day? It's a nice, crisp salad. Salad is a great way to get a healthy meal in, as well as enjoy the summer heat by cooling off with a cold, refreshing salad. So let's start with the salad. And I have to tell you, this is my favorite time of the season because I love going to the farmer's market or picking up my CSA and getting all the fresh produce that I need because it lasts longer. It helps me make my salads for the entire week that my family can enjoy for lunches. You know, perfect to take to work or to school in the Mason Make and Take jar, or to enjoy for multiple meals. So let's get started. You know what? All you need is this wonderful Pampered Chef salad and berry spinner. It comes with 2 baskets. This is a larger one that I'm going to use for my greens. What's really nice is, you know, you can just use that as a colander and rinse your greens if you need to. And then here they go in, and all you do is you put the lid on and you pump. You can see already, you can see how fast it's spinning and how it's getting the water out. For a salad to stay fresh for the week so that you can make it ahead of time, it's very important that the salad greens dry out. When these are washed and dried, they can stay fresher longer, and that's really important to kind of have them prepped ahead. Think about a meal prep. For us, making a salad ahead of time is meal prep for the week. I don't want to get up early in the morning to make a fresh salad and to cut up all the vegetables. It's too much work. But if I have them washed and spun, it's that much less work I have to do in the morning. So you could very easily just have this washed up, and I'll tell you that this is one of the top salad spinners on the market as rated by Rachel Ray's magazine about a year or 2 ago. Year and a half ago probably. It spins at some crazy fast speed to get all that water out and to dry the greens. And while it's doing that, let me show you a couple of other things that you can prep and get ready already for your salad. So I'm going to show you the close and cut. This is a very popular salad ingredient. You know, the tomatoes are awesome for a salad. And an easy way to cut tomatoes, grape tomatoes, or olives, or chicken breast, or even a bagel, or grapes, is the close and cut. All you do is put your pint of tomatoes that are washed in here, and you can very easily wash them in the berry basket because, again, it's perfect for that smaller size. And all you do is push down, and one quick slice, all the way through, will have cut each one of them in half without squeezing them. How easy was that? Okay, so my tomatoes are ready. I believe my salad's getting pretty ready, and I mean, you can see how much water is coming out of there. So I'm just gonna get rid of this extra water here, and then I'll dry up the bowl. Actually, I think I'm gonna spin it one more time just to make sure that we get it nice and green. So let me get rid of this water. The fun of making your meals outside and enjoying every minute of a gorgeous day. All right, I'm gonna spin this a couple more times here. And let it do its thing. You know, another popular salad ingredient is cucumbers. So I have some mini cucumbers here, and our quick cut knives. Our quick cut knives are so easy to carry with you to, you know, a picnic or a purse, or, you know, leave them in your purse or in your drawer at work, and you can just very easily make little slices. Or you can use our quick slice, which you could cut up all of these in one swift motion. But since I don't have it out here, we'll just do it this way. Here, we'll just make sure all the water is out of the greens here. Finish this up here real quick. You know, these are super sharp, and they're a great deal for the price that they are. They're perfect to have many of them around because you will use them quite often. All right, let me finish this up and I'll check on the salad greens as soon as I'm done with all my cucumbers. A layered salad is a great way to get lots of flavor and to, you know, change things up so that you're not eating the same salad. Whether you're using this typical salad ingredients like tomatoes, cucumbers, you know, olives, you could change it up and make a beautiful Mediterranean salad, or you know, chicken, chipotle Southwest type flavoring. You could also just very easily change it up with the dressings that you're using. All right, I think these are pretty nice and dry. All right, let's see. See how much water I got out? It's pretty important to get it very dry. And I have a paper towel here that I'm just going to use to dry off my bowl. And again, like I said, it's important to make sure that everything is dry so that it lasts longer. And what I love about this bowl, besides the fact that it has a berry and you know, the basket for the greens, is, and I'll show you in just a minute, is that it has a lid that when I'm done, I can just store my salad and cover this right up. But I want to show you this. This is a Pampered Chef salad chopper. It's great to chop up greens, herbs, chicken, and what's really nice is you can do it right in the bowl, either left-handed or right-handed. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to put some of my greens in here. I'm not going to put a whole lot just because I want to show you. And like I said, this is a shout out to my CSA farm that I just picked up all my greens from. You can very quickly and easily chop up your salad. Look how quickly I could just get the greens cut up, and they can be done in a bowl or right here in the salad chopper. Right here with the salad chopper, I should say. Look at this, they're all almost cut. Like, think how easy it would be to cut up chicken breast or herbs right in the bowl or right in your pan even. So right-handed or left-handed. I'm not left-handed, so I'm not going to demo that because that's not going to work very well for me. And I can just make them finer or leave them big and chunky, whatever you like. And look, done. That's how easy it was. Here, I can show you even with, here, let me take a couple of these. Like, look at this. It's just done. Like a couple little swipes. What I might do just to keep it fresh is I might chop it all up, I'll put it back in the bowl, and I'll spin it one more time. And that way I know it's going to stay nice and fresh for the week. I'm going to cover it up and store it right in here. And that's it. I am done with my salads, ready to go for the whole entire week of lunches. Thank you again for watching. And if you are interested in any of these, check us out on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel and share. And my website, as always, is pamperedchef.biz/eating healthy. Thank you.